Hello YouTube. Today I have some coffee from Dunkin' Donuts and a donut. A lot of napkins. I always get a lot of napkins. And here is my donut. Chocolate glazed donut. Okay. Here goes. I'm ready to eat. Let me just, okay. Mm. Mm. About $3 I wasted on this and this. Not bad. A good deal. I got a mocha coffee. Iced coffee. Mocha. This is my favorite. Doesn't that look good? Very good. This coffee is so sweet. Oh, it's giving me energy. I like doing this. Ow. Wow, I'm almost done. I'm getting full. This is weird. I'm usually a fat eater, a big eater. I eat a lot. But I'm getting full already. Maybe it's the coffee, or maybe it's the weather. I feel sick. I don't want to eat no more. Okay, you guys. Well, thank you for watching this short video. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Bye.